Morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about some of the topics related to the environmental pollution. Now, need for pollution control is there. New topic is this, in which we have to discuss that how to control the pollution and how to clean our surrounding, in which the business operations are going to be performed. So it is very important for the businessman to keep the surrounding clean, because if surrounding is affected due to the business, then ultimately the businessmen do not get the permission from the society or from the government to run the business smoothly in the economy. That is why the businessman has to perform some of the duties to clean the surrounding, to remove the pollution from the society also. And we, the first one is, for the first one point is to ensure healthy life, in which we can say by removing the pollution, the healthy life of the people can be take place in that particular area, because the environmental pollution can create a lot of problem for the people. It increase the different type of diseases which has to be faced by the people those are living in a particular society, particular surrounding in which the business operations are going to be performed. That is why we can say, if a businessman is controlling the pollution, which the businessman is using eco-friendly method of production, then ultimately the environmental problem and health related issues can be removed from that particular area, so that the businessman has to use the eco-friendly method of production. The another one is to ensure safety. It is for the worker those are working in an organization. If the workers those are working in an organization get safety and security from the management, if the worker do not face any type of health related problem due to the technique of production adopted by the company, then ultimately the worker want to perform their work for a long period of time in that particular organization too. So that we can say, if the businessman is handling the pollution control properly, then safety of life of the people will easily manage in that particular organization. The another one is economic losses. So we can say, if the businessman is controlling the pollution properly, then economic losses may also removed, because if a company is doing a lot of pollution, then the company do not get the permission to run their business. So ultimately the company will face the economic crisis. Whereas if the company is using proper or good method of production which do not create any type of pollution in that particular area, so that the government can also permit them to run their business in that particular area, and the company will get a lot of economic benefits from there. That is why we can say economic losses or economic crisis will also removed if the businessman is using best method of production in that particular area. Improve public image. As we know that if a company is performing some type of social duties for the society, then only the good image of the company can be created in that particular area. Whereas if the company is not performing any of welfare activity, then lot of problems may be arises. That is why we can say, if a company is performing controlling the pollution properly, then only the good image of the company can be created in that particular area, and the company is then only the company will be popular to produce goods and to provide good services to the clients. So ultimately these are the need for pollution control. The another one is role of business environmental pollution. So some of the things are there. The first one is eco-friendly method is that method in which the company do not create any type of soil pollution, water pollution or noise pollution, in which the company use eco-friendly method of production, which is very helpful for the environment, which do not create any type of pollution problem in that particular area. That is why eco-friendly method of production should be used by the company to protect the environment from different type of natural problems. The another one is industrial waste. As we know that the company should dispose the industrial waste in that particular area which do not create any type of environmental problem. If the company is disposing the industrial waste, like industrial water, industrial garbage, industrial scrub in a particular area which is not in the locality, then ultimately it will be beneficial for the company as well as for the society. So that the company should manage that where the company is going to dump the industrial waste. The another thing is law and legislature. in which the company has to follow the rules and regulations, law and legislature made by the Indian government, and the company has to follow the Indian constitution properly, then only the company will able to create the good image of its product, its company in the economy. If the company is performing all the activities under the Companies Act 1956, if the company is providing or performing social activities, then only the company can survive for a long period of time. If the company is not following